Hello, and welcome to Maker and Fixer Things. I'm Chuck. Today, we'll be replacing the run channel on the window on the passenger side of my 2004 Volvo XC70. Several months ago, the plastic sliders in the window broke. I'll show you those later. And I had to replace one, and when I did replace it, I discovered that that wasn't the problem. The problem was that the run channel inside the door had folded over and made it so the window couldn't close. So today we'll be installing a brand new genuine Volvo run channel. And I'll tell you what, I don't buy genuine Volvo parts very often, but when I do, they're expensive. So as I showed, the run channel is the part that fits inside the door that the window slides through. And it doesn't look like much, but they're custom and they're sided. So this one is the passenger side, and it's got all these special little folds and twists in it that do things to make it so that it fits and the window closes. Wish me luck. So let's start taking the door apart. Now, Volvo has these buttons. Don't know if you can see, but they have a little center thing that pops out, and when you put the button back in, you push it in to spread the feet. But they don't come out very gracefully, hence there are several missing. I am going to use this guy and brute force and replace the ones that need replacing. So like I said, it's got this pin in the middle that pushes down and then spreads the legs at the bottom in order to lock them in place, but the pins come out and they get lost very easily and very frequently. Or to put this back together, I should say. I think that's all of them. Yeah, yep, it is. So let's come on. So I need my Torx bit for that. Alright, this one was loose and it's a 25, so I think it might be the right one. It wasn't put away. I knew I was going to be doing this soon. I'll get that later. Push that out as well. I think, yep, that's it. Now I need to disconnect some stuff. So disconnecting this is not easy. Gotta be careful you don't break the tabs. And there we go. Actually, it was easier than I thought it was going to be. Alrighty. Everything unplugged. Come on. Unplugged too. And the door card comes free. Oop. So now we need to remove this soundproofing. And it should be pretty easy because it's already been done. And it does make a huge difference. You wouldn't believe how much this deadens the noise, the road noise. I put this in place to stop the window from coming down, just because I didn't want it to derail. I put some thread locker on there. Let me get a box end wrench. That one's too big. That one's just right. There we go. So it was an attempt to fix the window while I waited to get the parts. I really was on the fence about spending $120 on the new run channel, but kind of needed it. So in here is where the run channel was. I had to cut it away because it was so folded up. So it's cut back it's cut back about to here. So it wouldn't bind when I was trying to do anything with the window. So now, I think I do need to bring the window down to do the rest of this, but I don't know how well that's going to work. Let's find out. Nope. Dagnabbit. have it plugged in to make it work, don't I? Oh, pain in the neck. So let's peel back the tape. Oh, that's ugly. Let's leave it right there. That's all bent up. Oh, please tell me I'm not going to need one of them too. Oh, there's your problem. It popped out. So this guy here is supposed to have some flex in it, but it's not supposed to be bent like that. This part here is supposed to be in there, and it's not. So, oh, this one's broken already. Gonna need to do a new one. I'm glad I bought a bunch of them. So let's get this free. And the window will drop. Don't want to break it. God. There we go. Bend you back the way you're supposed to be-ish. Oh, this is going to be fun to put back in. Pulling it out, so this one's going to drop it. Pain in the neck. Putting it back in is going to be even worse. Alright. Woo! That step's done. Now to find a safe place to put this. So there's where I cut it off. I didn't save the piece that was folded up down here. Remember where we parked? Oh, see that on here? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. I was worried. Old and busted, new hotness. I am going to start with this corner. Hopefully, get this to work. There we go. That fits. Nice. I am not sure how I'm going to get it in down here, though. That's going to be a knuckle buster. I guess I'm taking the speaker out. Alright, so this is the problem. This is where the problem was. For some reason, this came out and got bunched up. So I need to make sure I get it in there correctly all the way down. So it doesn't happen again. I need to make sure I get that under there. That's looking good. Well, transitions are in the right spot. So there is not enough room to get my hands in there. Both of them, I mean. I can get one at a time. I think I did it. A little bit further in there. Blocking both of my cameras right now. My head. Big fat head. You under there. Oh, there we go. Under where you belong. Nice. That went in a whole lot easier than I expected. Let's hope it keeps being easy. Shouldn't have said that. Should not have said that. So now we're going to use a little bit of lithium grease. There already is some in there, but we're going to use a little bit of lithium grease. Not a lot, just a little. Slide the new. There we go, nice and slippy. The one on the other side wasn't broken. I thought it was, it's not. So that one can remain. So now I need to get this plugged back in and swing these arms up so they're level, so that the one in the front is easier for me to get to, because I can't reach it as it is. It still won't be able to reach it when it's up, but it'll be closer, so it should be easier. So we'll see what I can do. So now with the arm in the right location, it's at the same height over here, so it'll be easier to get to. It's impossible to show you that one, it's buried so deep in the car. Now it's time to put the glass back in. Already. Oh, this is scary. It always will be. There we go. And one. It's in the hole. Ooh. That just might work. So I think I figured something out. I've got the clip so that the indents are sitting on the plastic there, which leaves that open. I might be able to get that on and then just go dit and pop it all the way through and lock it in place. Wish me luck. Here we go. And yes, that works. Nice. So now we need to lower the window in, get it onto that, and then I can do the other one the exact same way. All right, so I'm going to try to do that trick again. Probably won't succeed, but it's worth a shot. Okay. Nice, it's still in position. Let's get it back in the channel. There we go. Dagnabbit, it snapped. Got it. All right, I figured it out. I know how to make this work. And it's super simple, and I feel stupid for not having figured it out already. So if you learn anything from this video at all, it's this trick. Get the clip to that position, slide it in, then position it so that the ball is in the hole. Press the ball really hard, and then done. That was so simple once I figured it out. I am annoyed with myself for taking so long to figure it out. I think I'm done. I just need to put the door back together. Let's run it up and run it down and see what happens. Ha! Oh. All right, it's not seated tight enough up here. I suppose that's why I have this little extra bit here. So it's not going to close as easily as it should. but it will close. So yeah, it doesn't like this. It doesn't like that. All right, there we go. I just gotta nudge it. Cool. Ta-da! Clean the glass, and we're done. Don't forget to do all the algorithm things. Like, comment, share. It really helps the channel out. I'm Chuck, and this is Maker and Fixer Things. Thanks for watching.